Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Big up everybody checking in on the Good Vibes Sunday. So today I have a show lineup for you, right? We know Joe Biden does win the election. But the way the Jamaican them are react with that thing, say a Jamaican election done. So I'm going to show you some video where I see I go on social media from the Jamaican community. The rest of the Caribbean islands, them now I don't know on the platform, so you have to go provide them the video there in the comment section, right? First the one called Judge Prophet.
Baby, when I look into your eyes, I've seen nothing.
So people, I'm about to start the show in a little bit, right?
Nothing to compromise.
The first video I'm going to show you is a brother called Slick White Line.
And when you
brother thing well at on Instagram, you see me I say the man I do all kind of comedy coverage.
came over when it
And the election coverage couldn't escape
is
it.
to talking
So me I go show you how him do film thing, right? Him get a call from Vice President Kamala Harris.
to me.
Joe Biden and Obama also. So people, let's get right into that video.
Come on, I will do it, Mama, we do it.
We did it.
Hello, me have Obama on the next slide.
Hi.
Alright, well, I'm gonna call Joe. Hello?
Yo,
Joe.
I was Joe this.
I'm Joe Bogdanovich, principal of Downtown Entertainment,
What's going on, man?
owners of Reggae Sumfest.
Obama, well on. I rang Joe.
Uh-oh.
Joe Biden? Alright, see boss now.
Hi.
We did it, Joe.
Ready to go to work?
You're gonna be the next president of the United States.
Camilla, you couldn't ask me if you could have sort out my thing. The green card.
John was started already well creative. Sometimes I wonder how him find back some of them video. Cause like the Obama video them well all you see me I say, but he must have a method to this madness, right? So people, what I want to do is get serious for a little bit. Even though most of the video that I'm show you is comedic, I really want to get an insight as to the people that live overseas, you know, more specifically in America. Like, what are your views on this election? A new president, vice president, and the vice president is of Jamaican heritage, right? For the other Caribbean people, even though she's Jamaican, I want to chime in and tell me like what this mean to you. The one that will live overseas, live in America, and even UK and other places, because America is the real power, so a lot of places affected by who is the president, or even if they're not directly affected, them kind of have an opinion on it, because when things good at America, things kind of good all around the world. And if you don't want to challenge that, we can debate that, because let me explain a little bit more what I mean, right? Someone want to tell me that in the comment section how this affect you, and if you live in Jamaica also too, tell me how you feel about it, right? So we are gonna get right into our next video. Destin, it's going after me, mountain me, black, me. So even though that one is short though, it's about the clocks where she wear, right? So that's what the caption say. Where you get the clocks, the daddy. I may have some more things to show now, like what Bounty Killer post about Joe Biden and Trump, and also what Tom Hanks' son say, Chet, him big pan Jamaican culture and love it. So him basically I tell Trump about him mother, but I try clean up the video phone so we don't have to hear it like that, right? So we move forward with that, all right?
But somebody a babes said a song come give me and them say babes, I want you to listen to the song word for word because you mean everything to me. The man say me not sending a regular song, me send you a big man type of song because they are different type of girl. The man said the artist named Judge Prophet and me say me a listen because you don't know say anything the man say. So me hear what one.
nothing to compromise. And when you came over,
So the name of this song is so incredible, and the artist name is Judge Prophet.
when you stood talking to me, instantly I could see the woman you could be. You made me laugh, you made me
Now, I want to challenge myself to see if I can present that song properly, right? I want to evaluate me. I want to see if all of the music experience I have throughout my life, all of the song them I hear at roadside, the sound system I play, if all of that can help me to present a big song like this.
show to make me scream, you made me smile. And ever since today, you got me smiling all the while.
Excuse me.
All because you are so incredible. Together we are so compatible, and it's gonna be hard.
From when you hear the song, you can tell so this is an official project, and them man the music long time. So this is available on all streaming platform, right? And it's in rotation pan It's 92 FM, Sun City, Irie FM, Roots 96.1 FM, Roses FM, Style FM.
To find another like you, you were so incredible. Together we're so compatible, and it's gonna be hard to find another like you. Girl, when you walk in,
I really have a special appreciation for music like this. Couple months ago, I get for video artist live. His name is Chuck Turner, and him sing one song where say tears, tears rolling down my window pane. And you know them song they like, I know the score. Any Glenn Washington song or George Nook song, same kind of vibes that tune you give me.
alive. Instantly I could see you made a perfect wife.
That's NIG.
The way we walk together and the way we talk together, everyone knows that.
So me I gonna leave all the links to Judge Prophet's social media accounts, and me I gonna leave a link to the full song in the first comment. So people may just play the hook one more time. I'm gonna wanna get in the comment section and tell me if that song is bad, cause that song is bad, people. Me nah lie to you.
Cause you are so incredible, and together we are so compatible, and it's gonna be hard to find another like you. You are so incredible, together we are so compatible, and it's gonna be hard to find another like you.
With the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, guan. Dancehall IG.
Yes, people, so let's get back to the Joe Biden and Kamala Harris video them now. Somebody that telling about Tom Hanks' son, Chet Hanks, right? When you know say him love try out the Jamaican accent, even though, I don't know, I don't want to think him got it down pat or what. I see somebody comment and say accent, definitely I get better. But I want to no opinion on it. So when time when you hear what him say, when you put in the comment section and tell me if it I get better, if you hear it before, or tell me if him feel left it alone. So here what I go on. Here's the video.
Hey guys, I just want to say that, like now that Trump's leaving office, I think it's important to remember that he was the president, so we should show some respect.
Psych! Clot. F them Ross. Donald no one rap but big boss man Biden. F them Ross. Clot boy. Go kuna mother.
So Bounty Killer post this picture of the vice president-elect and him said, no saint here but a damn good symbol of change in the right direction. Person of color, as I say, despite united, we stand in unity with some hands up emoji, some praises. So I want to make off that. And remember my asking you in the early out, how you feel about this, right? So how are you affected as a Jamaican living overseas, or a Jamaican living in Jamaica, or a Jamaican living in another country, or as island people, Caribbean people, how you feel about the president-elect and the vice president-elect, right?
People of America, I'm not leaving. Fake news. Fake news. Georgia, how could you do this to me? Black people of Georgia, how could you do this to me? I even followed Cardi B. I got those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. What's going on? Pennsylvania, I don't believe it. Fake votes. I mean, come on, it's a pencil state. You need to be voting with a pen. The votes in Pennsylvania weren't permanent. Those were pencils, counted again. Come on, Georgia, after all those ADD money, I gave you scammers millions. I'm not leaving. This is fake news. I'm not leaving. I'm gonna get an executive order to stay. Hello? Joe Biden, bite them votes. Hey, Melania, I'm gonna want you to take every expensive purse I bought you and put them on offer up, because we broke right now, okay? They gonna lock us up, we going to jail, we lost.
So thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the comment section, right? I can't get for some regular goodbye, but you know it go. So big up on yourself, and thanks for watching. Like and share. Thank you.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.